Hello friends, this video is regarding to vacancy available in Indian Institute of Information Technology, Design Manufacturing, IIIT DM Kanchipuram. Now we'll see the vacancy announcement. This is the portal for contract position requirement. Now we'll see industry sponsored project. And this is the advertisement for project assistant position in industrial sponsored project. Name of the project is Development of Low Cost Microfluidic Device for Loop Mediated Isothermal Amplification of DNA. Duration of the project is 12 months and they are the principal investigator of the project, Dr. Karthik S. and Dr. Srijit K. Funding agency is Agape Diagnostics Limited and name of the project position is Project Assistant. There are two positions available and qualification for the Project Assistant is for Project Assistant 1, essential qualification is first class in BE BTech degree in Mechanical Engineering and desirable qualification is Thermal Sciences, Experimentation and Microfabrication. For Project Assistant 2, essential qualification is first class BE BTech degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation, Electronics or Diploma in Electronics, ECE, EIE or equivalent. Desirable qualification is Electronic System Design using Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ARM or equivalent embedded processor, programming, interfacing, embedded system design. Age is preferably below 30 years and monthly stipend for project assistant is 20,000 rupees and other things are given here. Detailed list of tasks will be defined on the first day of joining. Weekly progress will be monitored regularly. Day-wise work progress need to be reported and this project has experimental work, design, development and product fabrication work. You will gain comprehensive knowledge of product implementation and tested maintenance and calibration. General conditions and instructions for all the posts are only Indian nationals need to apply. The candidates are required to work mainly for the success of the project. Candidates should bring self-attested copies of the relevant certificates, testimonials along with the original certificates documents before joining. The institute reserves the right not to fill up the position if it so decides. The institute reserves the right to terminate the appointment at any time before completion of the period if it so decides. No interim correspondence will be entertained. Canvassing in any form will lead to disqualification. Last date for submission of online application is 31st October 2020. Interview will be conducted for shortlisted candidates and mode of interview will be online. Tentative date for online interview is 15th November 2020. Now we'll see next vacancy position. So this is the advertisement for project assistant and apprentice. IIIT DM Kanchipuram invites online application for the following research project position. Name of the research project is Design and Development of Non-Invasive Geophysical Method Based System for Locating Hidden Septic Tanks. Duration of the project is 12 months and they have given the principal investigator name and funding agency FISST Private Limited. Name of the position is Project Assistant and Project Apprentice. For Project Assistant, there are two posts available. For Project Apprentice, there is only one post available. And qualification for Project Assistant is essential qualification is ME, MTech degree in Embedded System, ECE, Electronic System Design, CRC, EEE. Desirable qualification for Project Assistant is Electronic System Design using Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ARM or equivalent embedded processor programming, interfacing, embedded system design, enclosure design, testing, verification, Python or Perl programming. For project apprentice, essential qualification is BE or BTech degree in embedded systems, ECE, electronic system designs, CSE, EEE, EIE or diploma in ECE, EEE, EIE or equivalent. Desirable qualification is electronic system design using Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ARM or equivalent embedded processor programming, interfacing, embedded system design, enclosure design, testing, verification, Python or Perl programming. It should be below 30. And for project assistant, monthly stipend is 20,000 rupees. For project apprentice, 8,000 rupees per month. Other important points are detailed list of tasks will be defined on the first day of joining. Weekly progress will be monitored regularly. Day-wise work progress need to be reported. This project has experimental work, design work, developmental work, and product fabrication work. You will gain comprehensive knowledge of product implementation and tester maintenance and calibration, and general conditions and instructions for the post. And this is common for all the posts, and we have seen already. Only Indian nationals need to apply. Candidates are required to work for the success of the projects. Candidates should bring self-attested copies of the relevant certificates, testimonials along with the original certificates documents before joining. The institute reserves the right not to fill up the position if it so desires. The institute reserves the right to terminate the appointment at any time before completion of the period if it so decides. No interim correspondence will be entertained. Canvassing in any form will lead to disqualification, and last date for submission of online application is 15th October 2020. Only 3 days more to apply for this job, and online interview will be conducted for shortlisted candidates. Tentative date for online interviewers. They have not given the tentative date, and mode of test will be online. Now we'll see the next vacancy in IIIT DM. So this is a temporary position. This advertisement is for vacancy in temporary position. Name of the post is Executive Assistant Hostel. Number of posts is 2, that also for male candidates. Essential qualification is graduate with at least 1 year experience, preferably in handling guest house and reputed hostel. Desirable qualification: good communication skills and ability to speak English, Hindi and any other regional languages. Applicants should have good temperament to interact with students, basic knowledge on computer skills, MS Office, etc. Age limit should not exceeding 35 years, and emoluments rupees 25,000 per month. Duration for period of 1 year, which may be extended as per the requirement of the institute. And there is one more post, that is office assistant, and number of post is 1 post. Essential qualification: degree in BA, BSc, BCom. Desirable qualification: knowledge of drafting, good communication skills in computers, especially MS Office, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, etc. Age limit not exceeding 35 years, and salary will be rupees 20,000 per month. Duration for period of 1 year, which may be extended as per the requirement of the institute. General instruction and information to the candidates. Interested and eligible candidates shall apply online in the link provided on institute's website, that is iiitdm.ac.in. Please keep your personal details, qualification details, experience details, soft copy of the passport size photograph ready before starting online application. Candidates who have submitted online application only shall be considered for selection process. When called for the selection process, applicants will have to bring printed copy of the online application, affix colored passport size photograph on application form, self-attested certificate in support of age, mark sheets and certificates of educational qualification, experience certificates if you have, and other documents in support of the information submitted in the online application. The institute reserves the right not to fill up the post, cancel the advertisement in whole or in part without assigning any reason, and the decision in this regard shall be final. No DA is payable for attending the interview, and last date for receipt of online application is 15th October 2020, and for this post also only 3 days to go. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching and share with your friends, and if you are interested, make use of this opportunity. Subscribe our channel to get more updates on education and job vacancies. Thanks for watching. Thank you.